The WiiM Pro Plus music streamer compact and stylish. It's made for anyone who wants clear, high-quality sound in a simple setup. Powered by a premium AKM DAC, it delivers detailed, high-resolution audio that feels rich and natural. It supports AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, TIDAL Connect and Room Ready, so streaming is fast and seamless across all major platforms. Features like two-way Bluetooth, RoomFit room correction and multi-room audio make it flexible for any space. Inside the box are the Quick Start Guide, the WiiM Pro Plus unit power adapter, RCA and optical cables, a USB-C cable and a voice remote, giving everything needed to get started. The WiiM Pro Plus Black combines style, power and precision sound for an experience that stands out.